Watch, watch, watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know a full effect thing, don't it? You know it go already, you know. When me load up, aim up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion about ya. Watch this now, man. You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. You know a Gaza favorite. You know the people's champion. What? Hear me, man? Right about now, you know, Gaza Nation need only a wait for the excitement done with this Kanye West thing, you know, for approach, you know, Jamaican people, you know. More know how you so fucking hypocritical against your own people and quick and ready for dash out and skin out for other people that come from all over the world, but not on our own people. You saw the show no hypocritical, you know. Yo, when them draw false rumor upon vybz kartel and I talk about murder and him a mash up country, and the former commissioner that talk about the man responsible over 100 murder and all them shit there. Remember all the church people you know, come out and I lick out, you know, but man a worship devil and all kind of shit, all them stupid argument down have up, you know, and be a hypocrisy argument me soon have up, you know. You see what I deal with, and whole heap of how I broke out the little pitney them and all them stupidness there, you know, and a card you know, drop on the man, you know, like all them tattoo business and them shit that the whole light now they on cable TV, you know, and the whole on have cable, you know, and house and not tell you, know, look at that and our son for now watch it, don't it? But here what I say, the reason why I say this, you know, Kanye West is a man who sing, you know, saying, you know, him worship the devil and all kind of devil thing and all kind of wicked thing, you know. Them man they singing and them song, you know. But when you run go enough up that and not claim you know, fall in a spirit and a kin over a ground and all them shit there. Yo, what a good thing say. When man a grow, the older folks them for man. And all the older folks them time they were even older than even my mother. Like all even my grandmother and her friend them. A good thing them that tell you teach you about uno. And I tell you, say, yeah man, in the last days are coming now, whole heap of them you are going to see, you know. Whole heap of false people you are going to see, you know. And false God, you know. You know what I mean? A whole heap of uni, you know. So we did already get teaching about uni, you know. So some see say the older people, them right, you know. Them wrong, you know. You see what I deal because uni run out for Kanye West. And burn out vybz kartel and now you hear all the things them come out, you know, of the justice system, you know, come out in a news in a newspaper, and not one of you come forward and say a foolishness the police them deal with and a foolishness the justice system are going with because them lead you know in a the wrong type of metal them lead you know until you know all pass judgment on this brother where them are accused wrongfully. None of you not coming up. And so I'm sorry about that, you know. You know what I mean? I even lick out on the system now. I said nothing at all, you know. But the whole of you run go kin out and I pray over and claim you not getting a spirit and I roll over for Kanye West and them shit there. And all you know talk about Jesus business and church business, the man still up there talk about motherfucker and fuck and this and all them shit there. And I kin over and I roll and I go on like Gladys Knight and the Pip. Eh? Why you like fool on yourself like that? Why you love going so? But you like tough up against your own people. You know what I mean? I know none of you we pass judgment upon the man them because we take what the police them say and pass judgment upon the man. None of you me not hear come out and say nothing at all. You remember how you go on? Do you remember how you go on and how you deal with the man? Anybody can come and put on a necktie or in a long gown and say Jesus and run up and down, right? Me tell you something, you know. Nobody no rate to me, you know. I make me tell you something, you know, after a minute, you know, you know, I'm going to get, you know, beat me for all it is, you know. And the general, you know, the 10-star one, you know, representing a full effect, you know. And Gaza nation, you know, as me say, me just wait till, you know, them excitement done, you know, for sure them, you know, the type of dirty bungle who them are, you know. What? Gaza way, you know, there ain't no other way. A 10-star, the general, the choosing one, the people's champion, Gaza favorite. Watch.